Whenever I introduce the concept of real estate syndications, people are intrigued. But one of the first things they want to know are, what are the returns like? So let's talk about it. Big disclaimer, they're not going to be the same for every single deal. My name is Lily Mannon with Vidente Capital, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the high-level potential returns that we see in many of the deals we're looking at. There are two main types of returns that you'll see in real estate syndications. The first one is cash flow returns. This is ongoing passive income. Cash flow starts, in many cases, almost immediately, within a month or two following the closing. And in some cases, it might take a little bit longer to give the team a chance to really dig into the renovations. So those first cash flow returns might be coming along closer to, say, the 6-month mark. The cash flow returns that we're looking for vary from deal to deal, but typically, we're aiming for about 7 to 8% per year. So for example, if you were to invest $100,000 into a real estate syndication, you might see about $7,000 to $8,000 in cash flow distributions per year. Now, cash flow is money in your pocket. It's not something that rolls back into the investment automatically. It's not a paper return. It's real money that comes to you in the form of a check. The beauty of investing in real estate syndications is that you can then take that cash flow and spend it any way you want. You can reinvest it, pay your mortgage, spend it on groceries, travel, go shopping, the sky's the limit. While that's a pretty decent return, you cash flow seekers might be thinking $7,000 to $8,000 per year doesn't sound like all that much money. Perhaps you're looking to supplement your retirement income or Social Security. But what if you had invested, say, $500,000 over several deals instead of just that 100? That's $35,000 to $40,000 cash flow. Not too shabby, right? With that understanding now, do you see how real estate syndications can help you achieve your goals? Some of you might be thinking, I don't have $500,000 and I'm not anywhere close to retirement. Well, there's something for you too. The second type of return is the profit from the sale of the asset. Typically, these assets are held for about 5 years or so to give the asset time to appreciate. At the end of the hold period, the asset is then sold for profit. And you, as a limited partner investor, would get a share of those profits, which might be anywhere from 40 to 60% of your investment or more. We don't simply depend on natural appreciation. We strategically look for deals that allow what's called forced appreciation, also known as sweat equity. By improving the condition of the building, we can reliably predict approximately how much the building will appreciate over time. So altogether, when you factor in the profits of the sale with the cash flow returns, you're looking at an average annual return of anywhere from 15 to 20%. Almost sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I can assure you it's not. For those of you looking to invest for the long term, a one-time investment of $100,000 could lead to well over $1 million when reinvested over a 20-year period. The power of compound interest over time is incredible. Again, these are projected returns and vary from deal to deal, but one of the main reasons that I love investing in real estate syndications is that it's virtually impossible to get these kinds of returns in any other investment class with a similar risk profile. Now that you have an idea of what kind of returns you can expect, how does this stack up against your other wealth building strategies? Comment below and tell us about any other investments that can rival these returns with minimal effort on your part. If you're interested in seeing actual deals and returns of upcoming projects, join the Vidente Capital Passive Investor Club today. You can find the link below in the description. Finally, if you like this video or know anyone that could benefit from a real estate syndication, hit the like button, share it with them, and be sure to subscribe. I'm Lily Mannon with Vidente Capital. Thank you so much for watching.